हेलो एवरीवन, मयूर प्रशांत। आज के इस सेशन नंबर 18 को हम स्टार्ट करने वाले। व्हाट इज द कैन बस प्रोटोकॉल? A controller area network is a message-based protocol designed to allow the electronic control units found in today's automobiles as well as other devices to communicate with each other in a reliable, priority-driven fashion. Messages or frames are received by all devices in the network, which does not require a host computer and is supported by a rich set of international standards under ISO 11898. Key features of CAN bus: multi-master architecture, any node can transmit data. Bus is free. Message-based communication. Communication is not node to node but based on message identifiers. Robustness, excellent noise immunity, different signaling, error detection, multiple error, checking mechanisms, and automatic error confinement. Real-time performance, deterministic message arbitration allows time-critical data priority. Cost and complexity, reduces wiring, and enables internal designs. CAN bus frame structure. There are two formats. Standard frame uses an 11-bit identifier. Extended frame uses 29-bit identifier. A CAN message frame includes the following fields. Start of frame indicates the beginning of a message identifier. Determines the priority of the message. Control field indicates the size of the data. Data field carries the payload 0 to 8 bytes in classical up to 64 bytes in CAN field. CRC field contains error checking code, acknowledgement from receivers. End of frame marks the end of message. Types of CAN messages. Data frame carries data from transmitter to receiver. Remote frame requests data from error frame sends when a node detects an error. Overload frame used to delay further transmission when a node is busy. Applications of CAN bus: automotive, engine control units, airbags, ABCs, lighting systems, dashboards, industrial automation, sensors, actuators, control systems, medical equipment, imaging devices, monitoring systems, marine and aerospace, navigation, communication, control system, electric vehicles, EV charging systems. Advantages of CAN bus: reduced wiring complexity, high reliability and noise immunity, real-time communication with deterministic behavior, efficient use of bandwidth, automatic fault isolation. Limitations: CAN protocol. Limited bandwidth 1 MB per second in classical CAN, not suitable for every large data payloads with CAN protocol. Complex software stack with higher protocols. So दोस्तों, आज हमने देखा है जो एम्बेडेड सिस्टम है उसका हमारे लास्ट लेक्चर है। तो हमने देखा कि जो हमारे व्हीकल्स है या वॉशिंग मशीन है, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट हमारे जो सेक्टर्स है, तो वहाँ पर कैसे एम्बेडेड सिस्टम यूज होता है CNC का यूज करके। तो ये हमारे ऑटोमेशन सेक्टर या हमारे जो environment है, उसमें बहुत ज्यादा ग्रो करने के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो मैं आपसे विदा लेता हूँ। मैं आशा करता हूँ कि आपको एम्बेडेड सिस्टम का एक कोर्स बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझ आए। तो थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स।